To create your first product, there are several ways to get there. In the header, you'll find a quick access button that allows you to create different items. You can also go to the main menu and click on the Items section or use the plus icon on the side. For this tutorial, we'll go ahead and use the Items button. As you can see, we don't have any products yet, so let's click on Add Item or Create Your First Item, Product Types in Edgetrack. When creating a product in Edgetrack, the first step is choosing the item type. This determines how the system handles inventory, pricing, and fulfillment. There are 5 main types. Standard is for physical products you store and sell. Inventory is tracked in real time. Digital is for items delivered electronically, like licenses, gift cards, or QR code passes. This is especially useful for events where tickets or access passes can be generated and sent automatically to customers. Service is for non-physical work like consulting or repairs. No inventory is tracked. Bundle lets you group multiple products into one package. When sold, each item inside the bundle is deducted from inventory. Group variants is for products with options like size or color. Each variant has its own SKU and inventory. Choose the type that fits your business, and Edgetrack will handle the rest. For this example, I'll keep the product type as standard. I'll name the product lamp and set a selling price of $25. I'll select the default category. The brand field is optional and mainly for reference. Click Next. In the Details section, you can set a SKU or generate one automatically, which is helpful for product search. You can also add a UPC code or a custom barcode and even scan it directly using the button. If you don't have a description, you can generate one automatically using AI. The product status is set to active by default. You can also assign suppliers and choose a unit of measure. In the pricing section, you can enter the cost, and Edgetrack will automatically calculate your profit margin. You can also select percentage options to instantly adjust the price. You can apply taxes that were previously created. In the inventory section, you add the product quantities and assign a location within your warehouse. The low stock alert threshold lets you define the minimum quantity before the system alerts you, helping you reorder in time and avoid running out of stock. You can also add modifiers if needed, but we'll leave that as is for now. In the media section, you can upload product images. The notes section is optional for any additional information. Finally, let's save the product. Our product is now ready for sale. In the next chapters, we'll show you how to upload products in bulk, making it easy to manage hundreds of items or migrate from another platform to Edgetrack quickly and smoothly. Thanks for watching.